Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate via SSH keys for DigitalOcean droplets step by step clearly. To authenticate via SSH keys for DigitalOcean droplets, start by generating a new SSH key pair on your local machine. Open your terminal application. Use the command SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com to create a new SSH key. Press enter to accept the default file location. You may choose to set a passphrase for additional security or simply press enter to skip this step. Locate your new SSH key, typically found in the /.ssh directory as id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. Next, copy your SSH public key to your clipboard. You can use the command cat /.ssh/id_rsa.pub, select and copy the entire contents of the displayed key. Now, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the control panel. Select the droplets option from the menu. Click the Create Droplet button to start the droplet creation process. In the creation process, scroll down to the authentication section. Choose the SSH keys option. Click on New SSH key to add your public key. Paste your previously copied SSH public key into the provided text box. Give your key a recognizable name for future reference. Finish configuring your droplet settings as desired. Once all settings are complete, click the Create Droplet button. After a few moments, your droplet will be created. To connect to your new droplet, return to your terminal. Use the command SSH root at your _droplet_IP_ address to initiate the connection. Replace your _droplet_IP_ address with the actual IP address of your droplet. If prompted, enter the passphrase you created earlier. Congratulations, you are now connected to your DigitalOcean droplet using SSH key authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.